So first one for you. So describe what winning a Gold Glove means defensively. First of all, was it in your sights, something you dreamt about, and now that you're here, what does it mean?
I think every kid growing up when you're playing baseball, like there's just something about the gold emblem to being able to, kind of personify like the Gold Glove, like you are the standard for playing defense at your position. I feel like every great essentially was always, that was always a part of their game. Like that was just another kind of check, box that you needed to check. So I'm very blessed and thankful to have made it happen this season.
That gold patch, when you walk out onto the field, you're going to be proud to look down and see it. What does that say to the opposing team, to your fans?
I don't know, it's like a symbol that has stood the test of time, in baseball. I don't think there's any other emblem that, really can represent that other than, maybe the Major League Baseball logo itself. Or, you kind of put up, like, you get the New York Yankees logo, the Atlanta Braves logo. Like, there's certain logos that really stand out, and I feel like the Gold Glove patch is something that everyone can resonate with, no matter who you're a fan of.
If I'm going to ask you to balance out the hours that you spend hitting or working on your defense, help me understand how that balances out. How much work do you put in doing this?
Well, if anybody knows Ron Washington, he puts us through the ringer during spring training. We kind of have our 5 to 7 minute routine that during the year that we that we're real diligent about. But I mean, there's a lot of effort that goes into it. There's a lot of things behind the scenes. There's a lot of mental preparation, if you will, just in terms of scouting reports and understanding where you need to be and when you need to be there. So it's more than just catching it and throwing it. There's instincts that are involved, but there's also a lot of preparation behind it.
Where have you improved the most in the last year defensively?
I would say, just the knowledge of the game, really. I feel like every year, the more you play, I know people may say backhand, forehand, those kinds of things. For me, it was more positionally. I feel like I was putting myself in a better, spot to really be successful, to get to a few more balls, to understand hitters and their tendencies and, what they're doing with certain pitches. So there's so many little things that go into it, and I feel like this year, it all kind of came together for me.
You're ready to be an analyst someday. You already know that, you're bringing the game.
I've heard that
you're bringing the game.
I've heard that I'm decent at it, but
yeah,
I got a few more years.
No,
in my career.
I understand. My old man played for a long time, then he hopped up there. So real quick, can you break something down for me?
Bring it on.
Your hair. Break your hair down for me. I'm envious of it.
I really don't do anything to it. People always ask me, what do you do, this and that. My fiance Mallory pretty much has to remind me to wash it. So if that tells you anything, then that's pretty much.
Am I supposed to believe that story? Come on.
Yeah. You can go ask her. She's out there.
Thank you, my friend.
Thank you.